If you're taking fewer than 5% of your personal injury cases to trial, then your settlement values on all your other cases is going way down. And the settlement values will continue to go down the more you continue to settle. That's because insurance companies track what you do. They know if you're going to trial and are going to risk them lots of money or if you don't. And so they're just going to keep offering you smaller and smaller settlement amounts for real injuries with a real liability. On the other hand, if 5% of your cases are going to trial, the insurance companies are going to start raising your settlement values. Look, it's like poker. If they know you're bluffing, they're going to call every time, and your clients are going to lose. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to take more of your cases at trial without personally having to spend the time prepping your cases or being in the courtroom, and without having to hire an in-house trial attorney. My name is Ari Moss, and I try cases for law firms and solo attorneys who don't have the time, resources, or wherewithal to take their cases to trial. One of the largest problems personal injury attorneys and personal injury law firms face today is that the insurance companies don't think they're going to go to trial. And that's why they're offering you pennies on the dollar for every case in your inventory. Personal injury firms are faced with the choice of taking a case to trial or settling for pennies on the dollar. But if the lawyers don't have the skill, time, or wherewithal to try a case, they're going to force their clients to take cheap settlements for real injuries. The reason that you're not getting those settlement dollars that your clients deserve and that you deserve is because you're not posing a real risk to the insurance companies. Trial is a real risk. And let me be clear, whether you win or lose, going to trial is what matters for settlement values on all your other cases. And if you continue to do this, the settlement value is going to keep going down, and you're going to have to take on more and more and more work to make the same dollars you were making yesterday. This is why you need to take 5% of your cases every year to trial. The insurance companies need to consider you a risk and a threat to their money. And the only way that you pose a risk and a threat to their money is if you're letting a jury decide how much they have to pay. Trial Lawyer on Demand partners with solo attorneys and small firms so that we can help you take your cases to trial. We go to trial so you don't have to. This gets your clients what they deserve in all your cases. It gets you the reputation of being someone who doesn't back down and take cheap settlements. And most importantly, it keeps the insurance companies on their toes. Here's the big secret. Whether you win or lose at trial, your case values go up because trial is risk.